Welcome to Kajal Cosmetics. So, I'm going to share milk bath salts. This is something I kept it secret for a long time, but now I really wanted what I enjoy the most, so I wanted to share with you all. So, today we are going to make two different types of milk bath salts, and we are going to explore what is milk bath salt and how it is different from the regular bath salt in this video. So here I am using goat milk powder. You can use either coconut milk powder or any kinds of milk powders available with you. So kindly purchase from the cosmetic supplier grade. I have shared where to purchase in the description box.
Today is day 3 of making 2 exclusive milk bath salts. You will definitely love this milk bath salt. So, what is milk bath salt? Milk bath salt is something really luxurious kind of a bath salt. It is a hybrid kind of a product you are making in the bath salt. You are adding milk in the powder format. You can use coconut milk powder, rice milk powder, goat milk powder, or any kinds of milk powders you have. I am choosing goat milk powder. This is the one I have. So you can customize with various milk powders, or you can also use a combination of milk powders like goat milk powder, rice milk powder, like that. You can do combinations also. Why are we adding milk powders in the bath salt formulation? It gives you that kind of an aroma with mixed botanicals and the scents used and the milk powder. It is so special and so relaxing. And the milk bath salts really helps you to relax, and it also makes your skin feeling soft. This is something I feel personally, okay? So I really love milk bath salts, especially with botanicals. The scent was so unmatchable. So now you will be wondering how much milk powder we can add in this formulation. You can do 50-50, like 50% milk powder and 50% bath salt, but it would be very expensive because milk powders are very expensive. So here I have used around 5 to 10% of milk powders, and you can literally feel the difference. Compare it to the regular bath salts. It is so nice, and you can customize according to your own preference. You can keep it either 5% or 10%. So the full formulation, how to make this bath salt, everything is given in the caption. So please check down below. You will get the exact amount, how much I use, everything with the supplier details will be given below. This is a 7-day bath salt series. So if you are new watching this, after completing watching this, go and check the part 1. It is all about bath salt, types of salt used, and the benefits of bath salt. In the day 2, I have shared 3 different formulations, how to make your own bath salt. One with simple salts, and another one with botanicals, and another one with various color options and scenting options. I have shared in a detailed way how to make your own 3 bath salts at home with little bit about GMP practice, good manufacturing practice. That is something you should be noted while making or formulating from home. If you are a new subscriber watching my channel, and if you are interested to learn about cosmetics, or you are a DIY person who wanted to make cosmetics and skincare for your personal stuff, then this is the great place. Here I share about soap making, skincare, and the misinformation around cosmetics and everything you wanted to start from home, how to start your own cosmetics journey. So if you are new, kindly subscribe and support. It will be very helpful and motivating for me to make more videos, and I also planned more series like this in the upcoming months, like body oils, body butters, body scrubs, shampoos. There are more series coming out, so subscribe and support, okay? There is nothing wrong with regular bath salts. They are also therapeutic. Milk bath salts are just extra bit of pampering and self-care luxury kind of a thing. So you can try and use both, and you can identify which you like the most. I like milk bath salts, but it is totally up to your preference. You can choose either the normal bath salt or milk bath salt. After making the bath salt, mixing with spoon is not enough, so you should break down the clumps. You can see the milk powder is clumped up, so I will use my hands to break it down. It is for my personal use, so I'm using bare hands here, but I have already sanitized my hands with IP, isopropyl alcohol. But if you are doing into business, you should definitely use gloves here. Tomorrow we will see about packaging.
So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down. If you found this video helpful, then share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you. Happy formulating.